Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Luna Classic update today. And Luna Classic may actually try to pump just a little bit back to 11891 or maybe 12,000, and this is to actually retest the trend line that it has actually lost. So if you look at the bear flag, I talked about the bear flag in previous videos, and the fact that you've actually come all the way down, created a sideways movement, breaking down, and you're looking for a further drop, probably to 5,000, or maybe even, I would even actually say 6,800 will make a lot of sense. So the thing is that when you lose a bear flag, we may actually see the retest of the bear flag. Now, if you actually do go back up and make it all the way to 13,727, what's this, 13,700, that actually may destroy the whole bear flag, and you don't have the threat to go down anymore. So keep that in mind as well. Okay, so if you do end up pumping all the way up here, then that actually cancels out the bear flag. Now, as long as you're going to be below 12,877, or let's just say the safe price is 13,800. If you're below 13,800, Luna Classic is still looking for a drop, and you may actually put a stop if you're actually trading this one as well. And that's it for the video today, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.